Hello friends. Many English learners know the words on, in, at, to. But when it's time to use them in real life, things get confusing. Today, I will make them simple, clear, and unforgettable with real life examples. First of all, when to use on. Use on for surfaces, days, and transport. Surface. The book is on the table. Days. My exam is on Monday. Transport. I'm on the bus. If you can stand or sit on top of it, use on. Let's talk about how to use in. Use in for enclosed spaces, countries, and months. Countries. I live in India. Months or years. My birthday is in March. A tip on how to use in. If it is like being inside something, use in. How to use at. Use at for specific points, places, and events. Point. Meet me at the bus stop. Places. I'm at home. Events. I met her at the party. A final tip on how to use at. If it's a point location, use at. Let's talk about how to use to. Use to for movement and direction. Movement. I'm going to the market. Direction. Turn to the left. A final tip. If you're moving towards something, use to. Now, a quick recap. On. Surfaces, days, transport. In. Enclosed spaces, countries, months. At. Specific points, events. To. Movement and direction. Practice these prepositions with your own life examples. Tell me in the comments, where are you right now? Use on, in, or at correctly. See you in the next lesson. Thank you.